Hi there, little friends. Welcome to the Wonder World. It's time to play, learn, and meet some new animal neighbors. Let's see what we can find today. We are going to explore the letters A, B, C, and D. For every letter, we have 3 secret animals to find. That's a lot of friends to meet. Do you have your binoculars ready? Let me see you put them on. Great! Here is the letter A. Say it with me. A. Good. A makes the sound ah. A is for alligator. Look at the river. It's an alligator. Alligators have green, scaly skin and very powerful tails. They like to hide in the water with only their eyes peeking out. Can you make a big alligator mouth with your arms? Snap, snap, snap. Don't let him catch your toes. Did you know that an alligator can go through 3,000 teeth in its lifetime? When one tooth falls out, a new one is always ready to grow back in its place. They never have to worry about a gap in their smile. Alligators are like little submarines. They have special clear eyelids called a nictitating membrane that act like swim goggles. This helps them see perfectly clear while they are underwater looking for a snack. A is for ant. Now look down at the grass. Do you see something tiny? It's an ant. Ants are very small, but they are incredibly strong. They can carry food that is much heavier than they are. Look at them marching. Left, right, left, right. Can you march like a tiny ant? Did you know that ants are like tiny superheroes? An ant can lift things that are 50 times heavier than its own body. Imagine if you could pick up a whole car. That's how strong an ant is. They use their powerful jaws to carry food and building materials back to their colony. Ants are very unique creatures because they don't have ears. Instead of hearing sounds like we do, they feel vibrations in the ground through their feet. And guess what? They don't have lungs either. They breathe through tiny little holes all over their bodies called spiracles. They are truly amazing little explorers. A is for ape. Up in the trees. It's an ape. Apes are very smart and they love to swing from branch to branch using their long arms. They look a bit like us, don't they? Can you make an ape sound? Ooh, ooh, ah! Did you know that apes are our closest cousins in the animal kingdom? Just like you, every single ape has their own unique fingerprints. No 2 apes had the same pattern on their fingers. They also have fingernails instead of claws, and they can use their hands to peel a banana just like we do. Apes are incredibly smart, but they don't have vocal cords to speak words like humans. Instead, they talk to each other using body language, facial expressions, and sounds. Some very clever apes have even been taught to communicate with humans using sign language. They use their hands to say things like, "I'm hungry," or "I want to play." Next is the letter B. B makes the sound b, b, b. Can you say B? B is for bear. Big, fuzzy bears. They love honey. Can you give yourself a big bear hug? Deep in the forest, we find a big bear. Bears have thick, fluffy fur. Some are brown, some are black, and some live in the snow and are white. They love to sleep all winter long. Shh, don't wake the bear. Can you give yourself a big, warm bear hug? Bears are not just big and strong. They are very clever with their paws. Even though they look bulky, bears can do amazing things, like opening jars, picking tiny blueberries one by one, and even turning doorknobs. They use their claws and paws almost like we use our hands. Let's pretend to pick some berries with our bear paws. Pick and eat. Yum, yum, yum. B is for bee. Do you hear that? Buzz, buzz. It's a bee. Bees are very busy. They fly from flower to collect nectar and make sweet honey. They wear yellow and black stripes. Can you fly your finger around like a bee? Buzz. Bees have a very funny way of talking to each other. They dance. When a bee finds a field of beautiful flowers, it goes back to the hive and does a waggle dance. By wiggling its body in a certain way, it tells all its friends exactly where the flowers are. Can you wiggle your body like a dancing bee? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. B is for butterfly. Look at the sky, a beautiful butterfly. Butterflies start as little caterpillars and then grow wings with many colors. They dance in the wind. Let's flap our wings very gently. Beautiful. This sounds silly, but it's true. Butterflies taste with their feet. When they land on a flower, their feet tell them if the flower is sweet and good to eat. Imagine if you could taste your birthday cake just by standing on it. That would be so funny, wouldn't it? Butterflies are like little solar panels. They are cold-blooded, which means they cannot make their own body heat. To get enough energy to fly, they have to sit in the sun with their wings spread wide to soak up the warmth. They are literally powered by the sun. Now we have the letter C. C makes the sound k, k, k. Say it with me. C. C is for cat. Look, a furry cat. Cats are very clean and love to nap in the sun. When a cat is happy, it makes a sound called a purr. Purr. And when it wants to say hello, it says meow. Can you meow like a kitty? We learned that apes have unique fingerprints, but guess what? Cats have something unique too, their nose prints. If you look very closely at a cat's nose, the pattern of bumps and ridges is different for every single cat in the world. No two kitties have the same nose print. Let's boop our noses. Boop! C is for cow. Over at the farm, we see a big cow. Cows love to eat green grass all day. They give us the milk we drink to grow strong. What does the cow say? That's right, moo. Cows are very social and kind animals. In fact, research shows that cows have best friends. They love to hang out with their favorite buddies in the field, and they get very sad if they are separated from them. Isn't that sweet? Do you have a best friend you love to play with? Let's give a big shout out to our best friends. Moo! Did you know that cows have panoramic vision? Because their eyes are on the sides of their heads. They can see almost everything around them without even moving. They can see everything except for the small spot right behind them. It's like having eyes in the back of their head. Can you try to look side to side without moving your head? It's hard for us, but easy for a cow. C is for camel. Now we are in the hot desert. Who is that? It's a camel. Camels have humps on their backs to store energy for long walks. They don't mind the heat at all. Can you walk slowly and tall like a camel? Many people think a camel's hump is filled with water. But guess what? It's actually filled with fat. This fat acts like a built-in lunchbox. When there is no food in the desert, the camel's body uses the fat in the hump to stay strong and energized. If a camel goes a long time without eating, its hump can even start to go floppy until it eats again. Can you pat your tummy and pretend you have a built-in lunchbox? Living in the sandy desert can be dusty, but camels are prepared. They have 3 eyelids on each eye. 2 of them have long, thick eyelashes to keep the sand out, and the third one is very thin and clear. It acts like a windshield wiper to clean their eyes. They can even close their nostrils completely to keep the sand from blowing up their noses. Can you blink your eyes really fast like a camel in a sandstorm? Letter D. D makes the sound D, D, D. Can you tap your drum? D. D is for dog. Our best friend, the dog. Dogs come in all sizes. Big dogs, small dogs, and spotted dogs. They love to play fetch with the ball. If you were a happy dog, would you wag your tail? Let's bark together. Woof, woof. Did you know that a dog's tail is like a mood meter? But it's not just for wagging. Dogs use their tails like a rudder on a boat to help them balance while they are running and making sharp turns. If they want to go left, their tail helps them swing that way. Can you shake your tail and pretend you're running fast like a pup? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just like you have your own voice, every dog has a unique bark. But did you know there is one type of dog called a basenji that doesn't bark at all? Instead of a woof, they make a funny sound that sounds like a yodel or a giggle. Can you try to make a funny yodel sound like a basenji dog? I-yo-yo-yo? D is for duck. Down by the pond, we see a duck. Ducks have flat beaks and webbed feet that help them paddle in the water. Quack, quack, quack. Can you waddle side to side like a duck? Have you ever heard a duck say quack? Well, here's a funny secret. Many people used to believe that a duck's quack doesn't have an echo. Scientists even did experiments to find out. While they found out that it does have a tiny echo, it's very hard to hear because of the way the sound waves move. Let's try it. Everyone say quack as loud as you can. Did you hear an echo? Quack, quack, quack. Ducks are amazing because they never get cold feet. Even when they are swimming in icy cold water or walking on freezing snow, their feet stay just fine. This is because they have a special cooling system in their legs that keeps their body warm while their feet stay cool. It's like they have built-in winter boots that never come off. Can you stomp your feet like you're walking on cold ice? Stomp, stomp, stomp. D is for dolphin. Look at the ocean waves. A dolphin is jumping. Dolphins are not fish. They are mammals just like us. They love to whistle and play in the water. Can you pretend to swim and jump over a wave? Whee! Did you know that dolphins have a super cool way of sleeping? They can't fall completely asleep like we do because they have to remember to breathe. So, they sleep with one half of their brain at a time, and they keep one eye open. While one side of their brain rests, the other side stays awake to watch for sharks and to make sure they come up for air. Can you try to wink one eye and pretend you are a half-asleep dolphin? It's a very tricky superpower. Dolphins are the jokers of the ocean. They love to play, and one of their favorite games is making bubble rings. They blow air out of their blowholes underwater to create silver rings that look like donuts, and then they swim through them or poke them with their noses. It's like blowing bubbles in your milk, but much bigger. Can you pretend to blow a giant bubble ring? Puff! Now swim through it. Whoosh! Great job, explorers! We traveled from A all the way to D and met so many amazing animal friends. You learned their names, their sounds, and even some of their secrets. Remember, A is for alligator, B is for bear, C is for cat, and D is for dolphin. You are all superstars! Before you go, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up so we can go on more adventures together. See you next time. Bye-bye.